Hi friends, you're just in time. I'm about to start making some Play-Doh. I'm making it from all natural ingredients that can be found at the grocery store. You want to join me? Great! The first thing I want to do is set up my area and put my apron on because I know that this is going to get messy. All right, I've got all my ingredients, my mixing tools, and my bowl and spatula for when we mix everything all together. I also have my recipe. A recipe is a list of ingredients and instructions that people use to cook and bake. Even though we are not going to eat this Play-Doh, we still have to follow the recipe to make sure we get our measurements right. Let's talk about the ingredients. We have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1/3 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and food coloring. I have 3 sets of each ingredient because I want to make 3 different colors of Play-Doh. I have 3 sets of flour, 1, 2, 3, 3 sets of salt, 1, 2, 3, 3 sets of cream of tartar, 1, 2, 3, 3 sets of oil, 1, 2, 3, and I've got my water here, 1, 2, 3. I also have 3 different colors. I've got blue, red, and yellow. These colors are primary colors. Primary colors are the colors that you can mix together to make all of the other colors of the rainbow. So, instead of just making these 3 colors, I think we should mix them together to make new colors, secondary colors. Okay, let's see what happens when we mix blue with red. Mix it. It's turning purple. So blue mixed with red makes purple. Let's try another color. Let's see what happens when we mix red with yellow. It makes orange. Red and yellow make orange. Now let's see what happens when we mix yellow with blue. Do you know what color this is? It's green. Blue and yellow make green. So we've got green, orange, and purple. These are primary colors, and these are secondary colors. Let's mix all of our ingredients together with these 3 different colors to make 3 different types of Play-Doh. Now let's mix it all together. I've got my flour. Achoo! Just kidding. I've got my cream of tartar, my salt, my cooking oil, and my green colored water. Woo! That's green. Now I'm gonna mix it. I think it could be greener. Let's add some more. It looks so cool! I think it's good. Let's mix our next color. Flour, cream of tartar, salt, oil, and purple water. salt, oil, and orange water. Ooh. You should have an adult help you with making this Play-Doh. But for this step, the adult should really be doing it because we're using a hot stove. See how the Play-Doh is kind of slimy still, kind of runny? Well, we have to burn some of the water out. And we also want to encourage the dough to stick together and make it more like Play-Doh, less like slime. Okay, I'm going to pour it into the pan and I'm going to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Let's do our next color. Now I'm going to do the purple. Ooh, it's heavy. Let's do our next color. Okay, our last color is green. I'm really excited for this one. We're going to turn the stove off, and now we're going to let our Play-Doh sit for about 10 minutes and let it cool down so that we don't burn our hands. Wow, here's our homemade Play-Doh. It looks and feels great. There's one more thing I want to do with this Play-Doh. Make some shapes. Okay, so I'm flattening out my Play-Doh so that I can cut out shapes. I'm going to cut out circles and squares. Let's start with a circle. Yay! Push down and shake, 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 shake. Pop it out. Push down, shake, 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 and pop it out. Okay, now I'm going to do some squares. The thing about Play-Doh is that if you leave it out, it dries out. I'm going to let these stay out and dry out so that I can use them for the next video. Can you guess what that might be? Okay, make some squares. Wiggle, 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 bloop. Wiggle, 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 bloop. Good job. Now I'm going to put the rest of my Play-Doh in a container or a bag so that it stays good for the next time that I want to play with it. We sure made a mess making that Play-Doh. And when you make a mess, you have to clean it up. Let's get started. Thanks for getting messy with me today and making that awesome Play-Doh. I hope you get a chance to try it with your grown-up. I posted a link in the description below for the recipe on how to make that Play-Doh. And I got it from livingwellmom.com. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! I like to get my hands dirty. I like to make a mess. 'Cause when I am creating, it's all part of the process. Get messy. Everyone. Get messy. Hi, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who has supported me on Patreon. If you're an adult and you want to see me make more quality kids music and kids music videos like this, you can support me on Patreon by clicking the link in the description below. Also, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video with all of your friends. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye!